everybody. It's been quite a long time since we spoke with each other like this, so yeah. Everything is in the same shade. And you only see like black spots like your ears and her face. So today, I don't have anything planned to be honest today, so we will see how the day will go, but yeah. And let's go, let's start the day. Curiously, where this magic room is, it's actually here. It's a hidden room where we just keep everything inside. Alright, so I finished all my house chores. Now I will get ready and start the day. Some breakfast and my desk is ready. Bella is of course on her favorite place, and now it's time for lecture. And after my lecture we see each other. So. Alright guys, so I just finished my online lecture and it's time now to go out with Bella for a little walk, and I take you with me. Let's make some dinner. It's about time, so I think we make like a little rice bowl with some veggies. I've got some cucumber and some carrots. I make some rice and tofu in the oven. So I think I will fry up some other soy things. We will see. Alright, I made some dinner. It's like a little rice bowl with avocado, cucumber, carrots, some soy stripes and tofu marinated in soy sauce with garlic and ginger, and it's actually baked in the oven. And with this I served like a little soy sauce dip. It's garlic, ginger, chili, sesame oil and some sesames and coriander on top. So dinner. I tidy up our kitchen a little bit, do some more laundry, and yeah, we will see how the rest of the evening will go. It's around 6:30 right now. I think I will read a book, or you will see how the evening will go. Was anscheinend hat sie Hunger.
Weißt du,
Vielleicht hat sie Hunger. Ich hab dir ja gesagt, Good morning, it's the next day, so let's make some coffee and prepare ourselves for the day. I just prepared everything for my live stream and now it's time to go live, so see you later. Bye. So guys, my live stream ended a little for a while ago. It's currently 1:30, and I already had some lunch. It was leftovers from yesterday, my rice bowl I showed here, and now I will tidy up a little bit, do the rest of my laundry, iron some stuff, put them away, clean a little bit, hoover all the carpets, and yeah, the rest of the day I won't do much because it's actually bank holiday, so we'll have a little quiet rest of the day, I think. But I will show you. I will show what the rest of the day will bring. I'm not sure yet, so yeah. We just came home and obviously, yes, we catch the rain, so it was stressful. But we went grocery shopping and I thought I'd show you what we got. So we got some watermelon, one honey melon. Here we got everything else. Got some potatoes, Coke Light, cucumber, tomatoes, some pasta, grapefruit, cucumber, aubergine, different aubergine spices, so like spice mix, and more Coke Light, some spiced nuts, obviously sriracha, some soy sauce, some sweets, I think it's sweet chili sauce, then sweet potato, some bananas, spring onion, ginger, lime, that's seeds mix, some tonic water, more cherry tomato, basmati rice, lemon, quinoa, and some herbs, broccoli and radishes, wipes, and that's pretty much it. But we got everything. So yeah, next step is putting everything away. But I'd like to show you how my fridge looks like. So or what's left inside. Bella's food, tahini, some chili lime chutney. I've got sesame oil, soy sauce, some coffee to go from Alpo, some lemon, a little bit chili, garlic, it's ginger, Oatly, it's like a protein, Alpro, cold brew. I still got some yogurt left, strawberry, vanilla, and the plain with no sugar, some tomatoes, some vegan bacon, and some Oatly. It's like a cream cheese alternative. We've got asparagus, some vegan butter, and down below we have some romaine lettuce, some squash or zucchini, chilies, bell peppers 2 types, and carrots. That's pretty much what's in my fridge left. So, and now it's to put everything down here, inside in here. I put everything away, everything is cleaned now, so I think next step is to do our laundry, to clean a little bit. I like to get a little bit cozy. Tomorrow I will clean the whole house from the top to the bottom, like really cleaning, so yeah. Rice, some cucumber, marinated aubergine with garlic, spring onions, some chili and ginger, and some jackfruit with soy sauce, maple syrup, some ingwer, and What else is inside? Garlic and everything.